Gov, so ano nang bago sa'yo after the election? Hindi, may video kami talaga sa PEP. Ano mga bago sa'yo?
Well, I'm still in public service. I'm busy assisting DNR Secretary Gina Lopez for the Laguna Lake Rehabilitation Project, and hopefully matapos na po ang plano ni Architect June Palafox for the full rehabilitation of Laguna Lake, which is the biggest inland lake in the Philippines, the third biggest lake in Asia, and one of the 18 living lakes of the world. Kailangan ma-clean up yung Laguna Lake through dredging, desilting, magkaroon ng massive reforestation of bamboo, Chinese bamboo, then matanggal lahat ng fish pens owned by retired generals and politicians and mayors and governors and different businessmen. Kailangan matanggal lahat yung fish pens na yan para magkaroon ng navigational lane ng mga fishermen going around Laguna Lake. Tapos hopefully matapos na yung problema sa pagbabaha o flooding. So the permanent solution, which was designed by Architect June Palafox during the time of President Ferdinand Marcos, is to build the Parañaque Spillway. The Parañaque Spillway is a 7-kilometer underground tunnel which was designed by Palafox and Marcos during the 1970s. It will traverse under the cities of Sucat, Parañaque para maitulak push off the excess water of Laguna Lake towards Manila Bay and China Sea. So busy ako ngayon sa Laguna Lake Rehab Project, and hopefully maumpisa na ang C6 Expressway minus the Mega Dike, kasi delikado yung Mega Dike. Pag lumindol ng intensity 7 to intensity 9, mababasag yung Mega Dike at it will cause more flooding. So I'm pushing very hard for the construction of the Parañaque Spillway to stop flooding and to decongest traffic and flex the C6 Expressway around the lake, minus the Mega Dike. So nabanggit ko na to kay President Rodrigo Roa Duterte para maumpisahan na ang construction ng C6 Expressway minus the Mega Dike, pati na rin yung Parañaque Spillway. At gayon din, mailipat ang airport sa Sangley Point. Kaya specifically binanggit ng ating Pangulong Duterte. And I discussed that to him after he won the presidency. We had a 40-minute conversation about transferring the airport to Sangley Point and the Laguna Lake Rehabilitation Project.